Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download Monopoly Go on your Android device in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to roll the dice, buy properties, or build your empire, I've got you covered. Downloading Monopoly Go is super easy and I'll walk you through the entire process. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Google Play Store. You can find it by looking for the multicolored play button icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Now, tap on source located in the bottom right corner. In the source bar at the top, type Monopoly Go and hit enter. The official game will appear at the top of the source results. Make sure it's developed by Scopely to avoid fake versions. Now, tap the install button. The game will start downloading and once it's done, it will install automatically. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once installed, tap play and you are ready to start playing Monopoly Go. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded Monopoly Go on your Android phone. Now, go ahead, roll the dice and have fun. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you in the next one.